I can open the channel list from here. For example, the channel list here. I have the channel list here. I can choose, for example, the translation X, and I can say, or Y in this case, channel extrapolation, and here I have two big areas. One area with the kind of our looping, and here with the before first segment and the after last segment. Essentially, here you choose your looping. Okay, I can say cycle, for example, and now I see I have the cycle like before. But there is the very big difference. I don't see any key here because if I open the animation editor, hold on Alt, Shift, and F, you can see you have here our keyframes started from our first frame to the animation frame, and then you can see is dashed, okay, with this dot point, the line with the dot, because that is represented the looping you are apply. So you have to apply before the start frame and after the animation, okay, after the first frame and then after the last frame of your animation. And you can see we have the looping here. You can work in also, I say we can go here, channel list, right mouse button and channel, and etc, etc. You can do also the same here. Okay, we can come back, for example, a little bit. We can go here, channel list, and I can go here, extrapolation, and I can choose, for example, the kind of our looping. In this case, maybe oscillate, oscillation, oscillate. It's the best choose I can do. Here I can fix, for example, before the first segment and here the last segment. I can say oscillate. You can see it's working only on the last frame. I can have here. It's not working on the first frame, and before the first frame I can have here. Here is not touched. But I can see now if I press play, now it's because I don't have the translation, but I see I have this kind of animation. I can do the same for that. So translate, channel, extrapolate, after the segment, oscillate. And you can see now we have the curve like this, and this now also I can show also our sphere. You can see is come back, but is come back in another position. That is not very correct. Our looping, but is the looping. I want is come back here, for example. Okay. So for do that, maybe the best solution should be take this. Okay. Copy. We can move it on another frames. For example, you can have a 24. Okay. Here, perfect. You can copy your with just a little bit. You can copy. You can also copy that here, for example, and we can 48. Okay, 48. And we can move it like this. I can do that operation also inside the our. Now we can see it's perfect. No. We can delete channel, extrapolation, extended. Can select that channel, extrapolation, extended. So Now we have this looping. Okay, you can see it's come and back, come and back. Okay, and now we can select all or select the channel here, and we can say channel extrapolation, and we can just click cycle in this case, or cycle offset. We can, with the cycle, we can see it's the perfect loop now. Obviously, I can work also on the behaviors of the key here with different kind of operation here, the behaviors here, because the curve it's more the same, so it's not more dynamics, it's not more good because it's more similar to every frames, but when it's touch, for example, the ground, the energy is more powerful and it's come back more powerful, more with different accelerator, for example. You can work on the keyframes here, but I want to show with another example. In this example, I want to talk more about the looping. This is one way for create the looping. Another way should be to copy and paste the keyframes manually, but that maybe should be very long work. You can do that if you needed for create the looping in a little range. But if you have the long range, maybe that is not more good because you waste a lot of time for do that. I want to show you how is work difference the cycle with the cycle offset. Cycle offset here we can see I have the rotation of this element and it is perfectly, is not have any jump or any kind of strange keyframes here. You can see in the animation editor we can move it like this. Okay, we have this cycle with offset. Essentially is take is continued to create the offset. In this case it's a very linear situation. We can see it's very perfectly is working like this in the with the cycle offset. Okay, and for this situation is working perfectly. Some case you need to adjustment a little bit.